Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning and welcome to our English conversation today. I'm so happy to be here right now. And I'm even happier because I'm here with you, my close friend from campus. And this is going to be a great conversation.
Hello everyone. Good morning, Jackie, and good morning who is listening or listening. I am really glad to be here today. I have to be honest. I was nervous this morning. I woke up early and I could not sleep well last night. And I keep thinking, what I forget what to say, or what if I say something wrong?
Hello everyone. Oh my goodness, Abdi, I felt exactly the same way. I set the alarm last night because I was so worried I would oversleep, and then I woke up before all three alarm went off because I was too nervous to sleep properly.
Okay, both of you were nervous. It is so funny and charitable. It also feel a little nervous, and but you know it. No, they are here talking together, and I feel completely fine. It feel natural.
Yes, like now. It is feel like we are just having a normal conversation. Now let performance or test and the talking we always do between in the classes.
Uh, exactly, I think is the key when you talk about something you generally care about, something you have real experience with. The word come naturally. You do not have to force.
Okay. Um, and I we genuinely care about today topic, and because it is about our own life, our own decision, our own campus. And let's start the proper introduction. And I will go first. Yeah. My name is Zaki. I'm from Depok, and I am currently a student in the Polytechnic IDN located in Jonggol, Bogor. My major is software engineering, and I'm in my second semester right now. Before joining Polytechnic IDN, I was honestly a little lost. I knew I liked technology, but I did not know exactly what path to take. Okay, and joining this campus helped me uh, find that path, and I'm grateful every day.
This is a beautiful introduction. Okay, my turn. My name is Abila. I come from Semarang. I have lived in Semarang. Now I study at Polytechnic IDN in Jonggol, Bogor, and my major is web development. I chose web development because ever since I was around 14 or 15, I was obsessed with website. I used to spend hours looking different website, their design, their layout, or their animation. I would think, who made this? How way doing it look so beautiful? Wanted to be person to the beauty, and now I'm learning to be excited.
I love the story, Abdullah. My name is Deandra. I come from Sukabumi. My major at Polytechnic IDN is mobile development. My story is similar to Ben's Away. My obsession was not with website. It was with apps on my phone. I have been a smartphone person since I was maybe 12 years old. I remember when I was in middle school, I would download so many apps, every kind of app, productive productivity apps, game, creative tools, everything, and I would always look at the design and think, this is so clever. Someone planned this. Someone talked about every button, every color, every animation. Who was that person? How did they know how to do this? That curiosity never left me, and it is what brought me to mobile development.
Okay, but you had this deep curiosity from a young age. Okay, um, this is fascinating, and I think that kind of early curiosity is actually very important. Uh, it means the interest is genuine. It's not something you force yourself into because someone told you to.
Actually, when the interest comes from instead from genuine courses, it is sustainable. You never get truly bored when things get hard. The curiosity keep you going. You think, I need to figure this out. I need to understand it. The drive comes from the innovation.
And technology has so many layers. Every time you understand on one layer, you realize there is another layer underneath it, and you want to keep going deeper. That is what makes it endlessly interesting.
Okay, so through okay, we have introduced ourselves beautifully, and now let me introduce today's topic. Okay, our topic is why I choose Polytechnic IDN. We will have a full open conversation about this. We will talk about our reason for choosing the campus, how we discovered it, how we compared it to other options, and what we have found after actually studying here. I will be asking questions to guide us, Abdullah and Andra. Okay, please share everything. The more detail, the better. Okay.
Okay, I have so much to say. I might need their whole time.
Sam, I will try to be organized, but I cannot promise to be brief. This topic is too important to us.
Okay. Perfect. This is exactly what we want. And okay, let's go. The first question, and I want everyone to really think about this one. Okay, why did you choose Polytechnic in the end? Not just one sentence answer. Okay, I want to full story, the thought process. What were you looking for? How did the Polytechnic in the end match that? Okay, Abdullah, it's here everything. Let's
Okay,
hear everything, Abdullah.
okay. For story, I was in my final year of high school. It was a stressful time. Everyone around me was talking about university. Parents were asking, "What are your plans?" Teachers were giving advice. Friends were comparing options. There was a lot of pressure, and I sat down of the one day and really tired to think. What do I actually want from my college education?
This is a great way to approach, okay? Asking yourself what you actually want.
Right? And when I really thought about it, I realized I have two things it definitely want. Number one, I want to work in technology, especially I want to build things for the internet, website, website, digital product. This is my dreams. And number two, I do want to spend years and years studying and graduate without being able to do anything real. I have seen it happen. People finish their degree and they cannot even build a simple website because all they did was study theory.
That is such a real problem. Theory without practice is like having a map but never traveling.
Yeah, perfect. Way to say it, Andrea. So these those two things in my working in technology and actually being able to do real things. I started looking at campus and my first filter was those this campus did practical skill. They're not just a theory, real hands-on and practical skill.
And that filter immediately remove many options.
So one option is most campus are very theory heavy, especially the future. More traditional university, they have long reading list. They have easy and prepare. They have exam and test your memory, but they not have here will things here make this thing works. Here solve this real problem. That kind of learning is rare.
Uh, and that kind of learning, building, making, solving is what actually prepares you for a job.
Exactly, nobody dares you because you memorize the definition of JavaScript. They hire you because you can open a code editor, write a JavaScript, and making something work. Those are two completely different things.
Okay, so you were specialty looking for a campus that will put you in the position of actually doing, not just reading about doing.
Yeah. And when I found this campus or in Polytechnic IDN, I saw that they focus on practical skill from day one. The curriculum was designed around building real things. Students use real tools like JavaScript, Versa, Firebase, not textbook, example project, and are really product, not just exercise. That was exactly what I was looking for. So, protecting in the end immediately went to the top of my list.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. And Andra, what about you? What were you looking for?
My process was a bit different from this. I was not just looking for a practical campus in general. I was specifically looking for a campus that took mobile development seriously because that is my passion, and I quickly realized that mobile development, real serious modern mobile development, is not easy to find in campus program.
Why is it hard to find?
Because many campus teach general programming. They teach you basic coding concept, maybe some Java or Python, but mobile development as a profession requires specific knowledge. knowledge. You need to know framework. You need to know Flutter if you want to build modern platform app. You need to know Dart, which is the programming language Flutter use. You need to know Firebase for the backend authentication, database storage. You need to understand app architecture. These are specific things, and many campus do not teach them.
They teach the concept, but not the implementation.
Uh, Actually, the concept versus the implementation, and I need implementation to when I found Polytechnic IDN, and I saw they have a full mobile development program. They teach Flutter, they teach Dart, they teach Firebase. I was uh, immediately excited. My first thought was this is exactly what I need.
And you were confused just from reading about the program?
I was very interested just from reading about it, but what really convinced me was seeing the student work I saw where I was student at Polytechnic IDN. We are actually producing real apps, working apps built with Flutter and Dart connected to Firebase, and these were students, not professional developer with years of experience. A student like me, I through if they can build as that as student, I can too. I just need to be in the right environment.
The right environment. It is such an environment place. You can be the most courteous, most motivated person in the world. But if your environment does not support your growth, if you are not given the tools, the guide, the right project, you will not reach your potential.
Polytechnic IDN is the right environment.
For art, yes, especially for anyone who wants to build real things in technology. Yes.
For me, my reason was a little different but also related. I was not as specific as Andra in terms of knowing exactly when I wanted. I knew I liked technology broadly, but I was not sure if I wanted to focus on web development or mobile development or something else. So, what I was looking for was a campus with a strong, clear IT programs that will give me a good foundation and then let me specialize.
Uh, that is a smart approach for someone who is still exploring.
Right. And when I read about Polytechnic EDN's program, the IT programs, that's why it was explained was so clear, so organized. You could see the semester by semester progression. You could see how the foundational knowledge in the first semester connect to the more advanced knowledge in the later semester. And everything had a logic to it, a purpose. Nothing felt random or disconnection.
And that clarity is actually quite rare. Many campus Chura look like a random pile of subject. You look at the list and think, why the subject in the order? What is the connection?
But at the Polytechnic and the connection is obvious. Every subject builds on the previous one. Every semester moves you closer to being a professional. The program is clear and easy to understand, and that was a very reasoning to me. I knew exactly what I was singing for up.
Uh, Clarity builds confidence when you know the path you walk is with more certainty.
Exactly, and the programs cover IT, web development, and web mobile development, the three pillars of modern tech work. So even if I was not sure exactly which specialization I wanted, I knew I would get exposure to all three and be able to make an informed choice later.
That is very practical thinking. You gave yourself option by choosing a program, the comfort and the landscape.
Right. And the partial skill focus was also a big factor to me. I did not want to graduate with only theoretical knowledge. I wanted to graduate with things I had actually built, a real portfolio proof of my skills, and Polytechnic events made the possible.
A portfolio is everything in technology. Your portfolio speaks before you even walk into an interview room.
Or before you even submit your application. Many employers now ask for portfolio link along with the CV. If you have one, you are immediately taken more seriously.
And at the Polytechnic event, you build a portfolio while studying. You don't have to wait until you graduate and then desperately try to build project to show employers. The project happen as part of your education. By the time you graduate, you already have something to show.
That is took it start. a real competitive advantage in the job market.
So, the summaries our reason, practical skill over theory, focused program in IT, web development, and mobile development. Industry relevant tools like Flutter and Dart, JavaScript, Firebase, and then Vercel. Real project to become a portfolio and clear, organized curriculum. Those were the things we are we're looking for, and Botanic the end delivered all of them.
I delivered all of them perfectly put. Okay, let's move forward. How did we actually discover this campus? Okay, and okay, the next topic. I love this part because all three of us are born out of Polytechnic and completely different ways, and I think that shows something important. This and that this campus reaches people talk on many different channels. Alhamdulillah. Tell us your story. How did you first discover Polytechnic then?
Okay, so my story starts in very modern, very everyday way. Instagram. It was a Tuesday afternoon. I think school had just ended. I was home, laying on my bed, and I was just scrolling. You know how it you are not looking for anything specific. You are just letting and fate take you wherever.
Okay, classic afternoon scrolling season.
Yes, and then suddenly this is post of me. It was from Polytechnic ETN, and the post was showing student project result, a real project, a real website. And when I say real website, I do not mean simple ones. I mean actual, professional looking website. Modern design, clean layout, good typography, real functionally. Button that work from the submit pages that look beautiful and the caption that these are project created by our student.
And that was unexpected.
Honestly, unexpected because when I see student project, I expect something basic, something rough, maybe a plain white page with something text, maybe a simple form, but does not quick work properly. Student projects are usually forgiving me for studies, not immersive.
Ah, that is honest.
But this they were genuinely impressive. I started at the screenshot for a while. I read the caption multiple times. Student build this a real regular student like me. So I had to know more.
Uh, so what did you do?
I immediately went to the Polytechnic IDN Instagram profile. I started scrolling, stalked their post, and every post made me more interested. I saw photos from workshop, students sitting together, laptops open, learning something together, laughing, hanging in, and I saw video for students presenting their project, setting up, explain their work confidently, answering questions. I saw testimonial from students who said their experience here in extend their life. Every post added another layer of positive impressing.
It painted a picture of a campus that is alive.
Yes, it is the perfect word. Alive. The campus felt alive, not like a dead, quick place. where you just sit in rows and listening to a lecture, but a place where these are happening, where students are creating, collaborating, and growing. And I wanted to be in the environment that spread lately.
And after Instagram, what did you do next?
I want to be at website, and the website confirmed everything I had felt from the Instagram. The website was modern, very well designed, clean, organized, easy to navigate. I could find everything I needed. Information all about program, the curriculum breakdown, the fees, the hidden information, and everything transparent and straightforward.
Uh, I will website is interesting. It tells you something about how an institution operators if they care enough to build a good website. They probably care about everything else too.
Exactly, and I spent probably 2 hours and the website the first time. I read everything, every program, description, every page, and then more I read, the more confident I feel. This campus was exactly what I was looking for.
Okay, Andra, your story is completely different from Abdullah. Tell us.
My story is much more personal. I did not politically through a screen. I phone. It through a conversation, a real face-to-face conversation with someone I trust.
What? Who was the person?
So I have a cousin. Her name is Mia, and Mia has a close friend. His name is Kak Rizal. Kak Rizal graduated from Polytechnic IDN about 2 years ago, and now he works as a mobile app developer at a tech company in Jakarta. He is doing really well doing in this field, paying every day.
And alumni who is living proof that the education works.
Actually, living there. So one weekend, I was my cousin Mia host and Kak Rizal was there too. We were just hanging out, having lunch, talking about life, and the topic come up. I was finishing high school, thinking about what to do next. I took the I wanted to study technology. I was interested in doing things, but I did not know which campus to choose.
And Carizal immediately had a recommendation.
Uh, Immediately, without hesitation, decide you should look at Polytechnic Iden. I studied there. It was the best educational decision of my life, and the way he said it, there was no selling or trying to convince me. He was just being honest, like a friend sharing something genuinely.
the sympathy with everything. When someone recommends something brilliantly without trying to sell you anything, you believe in you believe it completely.
Completely and real because I have seen his result. I have seen his life. He is employed. He is happy in his work. That is that I'm somewhere and he say it came from clear productivity.
Okay. Um, Thank you for your story, Abdullah and Andra. And I think this is end of our conversation because I have something in the real life. And actually, I say thank you for your time in this morning. And I need to meet you in the next conversation, maybe. Okay. I think I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Well,
wabarakatuh.